Hi everyone, I'm Slayer and today, I'll show you how to change your profile pose in Roblox PC or laptop. First, open Roblox Player and click on Avatar in the left menu. Then click on the icon with your profile picture in the upper right corner. Now you can choose a pose for your profile. After deciding which pose you want, click the Next button. In this section, you can adjust the zoom and rotate settings. After setting them up as desired, press the Next button again. This section shows you the final version of your profile picture. If you want to save it, click the Save button. If you want to go back and make changes, click the Go Back button. After clicking the Save button and returning to the main page, you will see that your profile picture and pose have changed. Hopefully, this tutorial video on how to change profile pose in Roblox on PC or laptop has been helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.